the most important tip in regards to helping your nerves regenerate is something called vasodilation. Okay. Now, so for those of y'all who don't know, you maybe not know what neuropathy is. Neuropathy is basically nerve damage. Nerve damage where you start getting pins and needles and pain, and worst case scenario, it's actually numbness, right? And so now we're talking about peripheral neuropathy. So nerve damage within your extremities, the peripheral nerves. Well, one of the things that you can do to help regenerate those nerves, after, whether they've been damaged by whatever cause, regardless of what causes the neuropathy or the nerve damage, there's one thing you can do consistently that will put your nerves in the best environment for it to regenerate. Okay, that's something called vasodilation. Vasodilation basically means opening of your blood vessels. So if you imagine this is your blood vessels, vasodilation occurs like this. So if you imagine like all of these little green things are all the nutrients that are in your blood vessel, and if your blood vessels only have that small amount of diameter, then you're limited to how much nutrients can be delivered to those peripheral nerves and therefore help them regenerate. But if you can vasodilate, which is open up the blood vessels, look how much more. It's probably 100 times more nutrition that's going to your nerves, right? And so vasodilation is key to helping you regenerate your nerves. And so your next question is, how do I vasodilate my blood vessels, right? And so one of the best things that you can do at home, exercise, not only does it speed up your heart, but it also causes vasodilation. So by exercising, it can cause vasodilation. That's why, if you go to your neurologist, they will tell you need to exercise. That's the reason. Exercises causes vasodilation. And vasodilation will increase nutrients to your dead nerves, right? And so exercise is one of them, right? There are some supplements that you can do. And we'll talk about that in future posts, but you can do supplements. You can do supplements to cause vasodilation, right? And of course, the number one way is acupuncture. That's what we do here, right? Acupuncture is one of the best tools to cause vasodilation because acupuncture can do something that these two, exercise and supplements, can't do. What acupuncture does is acupuncture has the ability to retrain your brain to do the vasodilation by itself, right? And so with exercise, you get that vasodilation only when you're exercising. When you stop exercising, your blood vessels go from here to here. They constrict again, right? When you take a supplement, only when you're taking the supplement will you have the vasodilation. When you stop taking the supplement, it goes again. The blood vessels constricts again, right? So it's like you constantly have to do it, right? I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. You need to exercise every single day. But acupuncture, once it causes your body to vasodilate, your body can stay in vasodilation. So that's the beauty of it, right? And that's one of the beauties of acupuncture. So, key point of today's tip is focus on vasodilation. What can cause vasodilation to your peripheral nerves? That's what's going to help you regenerate your nerves. All right, guys.
Contact us to schedule an initial exam today.